Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America. I have a quilt shop here and a retail outlet. Today is the first week of 2026, so I'm making a New Year's resolution to do 26 videos this week. So that's one every 2 weeks. So watch for 26 videos this year and just new things, new products, new techniques. So I'm going to kick off the year with Bernina's number 51 foot. It's a roller foot. I've used this foot since Boy Scouts because I do a whole bunch of utility type sewing. And when I was doing costumes, Indian costumes and Boy Scouts and sewing on unusual things, this roller foot really went over the unusual fabrics. Like this is a faux suede, or not suede, but faux leather. I have a true leather here and this clear, sticky vinyl stuff. And it is really, really hard to get a good even stitch on vinyl, on upholstery vinyl and stuff. And yes, Bernina's can sew through medium to lightweight upholstery fabric. I just sewed through 2 layers of this upholstery leather, and I say this is like a medium weight. The faux leather works great. You'll sew through vinyl. All you need is the right foot. If you're going through leather, you may want to use a leather needle. It has a chisel cutting point. It makes good holes for a needle to penetrate. There is a big warning though. Don't go in reverse on the same holes or even anywhere, because if you go in reverse with the chisel, it's going to cut your thread going backwards. So if you go in reverse, move to one side, just one side or the other of the holes you just made to reinforce your stitches, because you don't want the thread to be cut right after you sewed it in. Another word of warning, if you're using the triple straight stitch or triple stitch, do not use a leather needle because it's going in and out of the same hole 3 times. You have a good chance of cutting your thread and making that thread almost useless. So leather needles are good. I tend just to use a regular needle on leather, and it seems to have been fine with the weight of leather that I'm using. So let's demonstrate how this number 51 foot goes. So the first thing we need to do is, if you've got a foot recognition machine like a 7 series or the 5 series, you want to press your presser foot, find your 51 foot, select it, and hit the X to close it. Confirm that you have the number 51 foot, because this tells the machine how wide it can sew and some of the features. So here's that sticky, icky vinyl that if you had a regular foot on it, you'd almost have to push it through. If you don't have a 51 foot, you can actually sew through tissue paper on the top to get your project done. But if you're going to make a steady diet of these weird fabrics, I would recommend the 51 foot. So we just go ahead and sew this. I'm just going to show you how well it'll just feed the fabric through. You can move it around. This has 3 sets of rollers on it to help roll with your fussy fabrics. So it gives you a nice even stitch. So I wanted to show you 2. This is that medium weight upholstery fabric, and it's leather. So we're going to sew there. Well, I wonder if it'll do a decorative stitch. So let's let it do a decorative stitch. It's rolling back and forth with the fabric. Can't see it because I'm using red thread, but the other side is white. So let's see how good that stitch turned out. So looky there, just like you were sewing on a regular fabric. So lovely. So now you've got a faux leather. Let's go through 4 layers of this. Let's see what happens here. There's that decorative stitch. It's not even wavering. Let's do a meandering stitch. This is a great stitch for fixing tears and stuff. It doesn't look like it's moving very fast, but it sure is. I'm going to make it stitch longer so you can kind of see it move. Sewing just like it's supposed to. And the other good thing is, if you've got a really high texture fabric, I actually made this out of freestanding lace, but I've seen real high textured fabric. This roller foot works great on getting over that heavy texture. It'll roll right across those lumps and bumps and not have a short stitch, long stitch, short stitch, long stitch syndrome. So that's the foot of the month. It's 25% off on my website. That's bernina-jeff.myshopify.com. You can always call the store. A lot of people like just to do it the old-fashioned way and order by phone. That's 970-256-1293. And I answer all my own emails at jpvlefty@aol.com. If you didn't catch any of these, it'll be in the description on the bottom part of this video that you can get to the description part. So thank you very much.